guys, we just did the Brahmagiri hill trekking. Now we are about to go to Harihar Fort trekking. So I am all ready. We are just about to go. I have packed my bag and my phone is on charge. So we are going to Harihar Fort. So this is the auto that I have booked from Trimbakeshwar with the help of my stay owner. I had to pay 1000 rupees because he will wait for me at Harshewadi until I am back from my trekking. So this was really cool and he was also really friendly and also very professional, and yeah, I felt really secured as well. So this is how I am going to Harshewadi, and we have to pay a ticket of rupees 50 rupees at Harshewadi for climbing the Harihar Fort. So the auto driver walked halfway along with me to reach the base point from where we have to start the trekking. I haven't seen an auto driver this much dedicated to his work in my entire life. So guys, we have reached Harshewadi. We are actually walking to the starting point of Harihar Fort trek. There are a lot of people here, and there is a small waterfall over there, and people are taking some are taking a shower there, some are playing with the water, some are taking selfies, and I'm here alone walking towards the Harihar Fort trek. The auto guy was really friendly. He showed me the way, like how to get to that place and all. See, that is the hill that we have to climb, and the people who have climbed said that it took like 2 hours. So let's see. By the time I was back from the Brahmagiri hill trekking, it was already like 12:30. So I thought I can leave for Harshewadi after having some lunch. Otherwise, I know that I will be feeling very tired. Also, when I started my trekking, I was spotting for any Malayalis who are presented there, because I can spot them with the language that I am listening to, right? So I followed some guys thinking that they are Malayalis, but they were not. The first phase of trekking was through a forest. Even though it looks like you can walk easily, it wasn't like that. There were huge rocks, and also you have to make a huge leap enough to climb those places, and it was little tiring for me, so I was taking constant breaks in order to pace up, and I wanted to reach the top of Harihar Fort as soon as possible. This is the condition of me after climbing like 20-30 minutes. Go up there, you can see that's the most difficult part, where most people are getting crowded. You can see, right? We have to go up there inside the fort. We have to go through here. It's all muddy. We have to go through here, and it's like a forest route. Okay, it's really muddy here. My shoes are getting destroyed. You can see. I think it's not that difficult, because I saw very old people who are climbing this Harihar Fort. Because I'm climbing at a time which is noon, I'm all red. I'm like a tomato right now. See, it's been 1:30. It's ulta hai. 1:30 p.m. It's really hot here. These are very simple routes. You can see the resting places, which are made very beautifully with all the natural things. And also there is a dustbin here. It's a beautiful landscape, right? We have to go upwards. We are going upwards. I'm not scared of climbing the Harihar Fort. I'm scared because I'm all alone, okay? If I'm getting lost here, nobody will ever know. Because there is no network here. So I will only recommend to come in groups if you are not that ready like me. I wanted to do Harihar Fort trek from a long time back, like 1 year back, but I didn't got any leave or that kind of circumstances in order to climb up there. You can hear the noises coming from up there. I chose a holiday to climb Harihar Fort because I thought I can find a crowd there, because I am very bad with memorizing directions even though there are such kind of boards here. So I wanted a crowd to follow towards the Harihar Fort as well as to back towards the Harshevadi as well. From this place it's really windy, as you can see. Guys, this is the Harihar Fort. You can see people from there. Too crowded, guys. I don't think so I can go there. It's too much crowded. And also it's kind of drizzling. There are so many people there. I think they're stuck there. I don't know. The noise you are hearing right now is actually people motivating each other to climb easily, because some people were stuck there because they were scared of heights. Even though we were all strangers, we were motivating each other to climb faster and also easily. So this kind of motivation was a mandatory thing. Even though we were strangers to each other, we were already friends, just like you are saying, just like you are watching right now. So a little bit of crowd even helped me to make some friends as well as to climb it easier. क्या
बैकग्राउंड
iPhone 13 मैं उतने ही रिच नहीं है.
ब्लॉगर हो
हाँ, छोटा सा व्लॉग है.
अच्छा ठीक है चलो शूटिंग ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಬ್ರ ಯಾತಿರಿಕೆ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್
I was having some mixed feelings of, being satisfied and too much happiness, just like that, because I was searching for Malayalis to become friends, to in order to climb the Harihar Fort trek. However, I got these people as friends, and it was much cooler. And also, I was not feeling tired right now because of the Brahmagiri hill trekking I did in the morning.
कार्यकर्ते हा बाकी येत आहे या मॅडम माहिती मैत्रीण आहे माझी नवीन मैत्रीण व्हिडिओ चालू आहे
एक मिनिट चंदर व्हिडिओ घ्यायला तिचा.
Guys, we are on the top of the Harihar Fort, and these are the guys that I met from here. Here's Mahesh, that is Sumesh. I forgot the name. They are near the flag, and it's around 3:45 p.m. right now, and it's kind of drizzling. No!
चंद्र झाले का चंद्र माझं शूटर चला
चला
मरती होईल
उतरना का वीडियो लेते हैं.
अरे काहीतरी आहे
पायऱ्यावर पाण्यावर आपलं सुधारायचं ना आपल्याला
पाऊस गेला
कुछ नहीं है.
है अंदर
बहुत एक्को है. So guys, we are returning to Trimbakeshwar, and it's time around like 4 p.m. It was really nice to be here.
बाय बाय गाईज.
Bye bye. It's very true when people say that time flies. I was feeling actually sad because we were returning back to Harshevadi, and I don't know if I will ever get this kind of an experience while solo traveling. And some of these people were getting network on this top of this Harihar Fort as well, so we were also listening to music while returning. So this was nice, a moment to capture, some moments to capture special. And also this Harihar Fort trekking is a very special memory for me. I never expected this much in my entire life while traveling alone. So this was the best. I think I can say like that.
काय काढायचं
मोठी भूल माफ कर फोटो निकालो मेरी
तेरा
अभी निकालो क्या वीडियो चालू है क्या
मेरी वीडियो We are descending from Harihar Fort, guys. I think this kid might be like 8 to 10 years old, and he was doing it perfectly. He was not scared at all. I met this kid when we were descending from Harihar Fort. Actually, I felt like I should shoot him. I should shoot his video because I know this is really motivating for people like me.
भी गिरेंगे बहुत हार्ड है अभी हा तसं येतोय ओय, अरे बिया.
माझं आहे की नाही? ओ इधर है.
इतना है नमकीन ए
अच्छा लगेगा अच्छा लगेगा.
So guys, our trek is completed. We are back to the Harshevadi village and it's really raining now. I haven't seen a person who's driving auto this passionately, guys. Even though the road is very bad, and also I didn't have to reach that earlier to Triambakeshwar. He was driving a little bit faster, and also he was driving it like a sport. You know, it's like a sports car, and I felt happy for him because only there are less people out there who enjoys doing their work. Hello guys, so we are about to check out from our room and I'm all set to check out, and our train for Ernakulam is from Nasik at 2 a.m. but the app is saying that the train is delayed and my booking seat is still on waiting list. I don't know if I will get a confirmed ticket or not. I think I will get a RAC because it's a waiting list with number 5. So I'm going to the Triambakeshwar bus stand. A shop owner told me that I will get bus to Nashik until 9 p.m. It's only been around 8 p.m. right now. So I hope I will get a bus to Nasik. There are two types of bus stand in Triambakeshwar. One is CNG where the private buses will be coming, and also the other is a public transport bus stand from where you will get their government buses to anywhere you want. So I got the ticket for Nasik, from where I will have to book an auto to reach Nasik railway station. I could have booked an auto from Triambakeshwar itself, but I didn't felt really that safe to book an auto from Triambakeshwar itself. So I wanted a crowd, so I booked an auto after reaching Nasik only. So when I boarded the train and when the train reached a station nearby Madgaon, I met those people whom I met when I was starting from Ernakulam. Those people who are going to Goa. Even though we couldn't talk that much, it was happy to see them. So hello guys, we were back in Ernakulam. We have reached Ernakulam. So that's all about the trip. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any new places on your mind, please comment down your suggestions. And also I'm pretty active on my Instagram, so you can DM me over there. I will be listing all the details down in my description box. So Until my next video, please do take care of yourself. Until my next video, tata, bye bye, take care.